Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the feature. Open the Apple menu and go to System Settings, then Keyboard. Turn on Dictation, pick your language, and assign a shortcut so you can launch it fast. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, plug in an external mic for noisy rooms, or use the Mac's built-in mic for convenience. Once done, test a short phrase to confirm audio levels. This first step gets you into a ready state. You'll now move to real-time use and preferences. You invoke dictation with your shortcut or the FN key and speak naturally, avoid shouting, and keep a steady pace so the model parses words accurately. Include punctuation verbally, say period, comma, question mark, to shape sentences and use new line for paragraphs. If you need better offline accuracy, turn on enhanced dictation in settings and pick specific language variants for accents. Once you practice a few sentences, you'll find when to pause for commas, and you finish by reviewing and editing the transcribed text. Use voice commands for simple corrections and switch to manual editing for complex changes. If accuracy falls, make sure the microphone is selected, reduce background noise, and confirm the language variant matches your accent. Once you've tried those, restart dictation in settings or reboot the Mac if recognition still fails. If problems persist, test a different app to isolate the issue. This quick troubleshooting step usually identifies whether it's hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.